If you want to import SIM contacts on Redmi A7 Pro, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer, and then in here we need to find the contacts app. It should be pre-installed, so definitely you can find it in there. We don't have to allow the app to send you notifications, we can just tap on don't allow in here. Now go to organize in the bottom right corner, scroll down a little bit, and we need to find manage SIM option. If needed, select the SIM for which you want to, or from which you want to import contacts. There we go. Now we need to choose where we want to save our contacts, so you can choose device in Google, for example, or you can tap on more options in order to, well, find more options. So let's say I'm gonna choose device only. Now in here you can see the list of all contacts that are saved on your SIM card or the selected SIM. And you can tap on the checkbox in case you don't want to include specific contact, if you don't want to import it, for example. And once you are ready, just use the import button here in the upper right corner. Leave a like and subscribe.